How to delete checkpoints for a Hyper-V virtual machine in Windows 11. Virtual machine checkpoints are essential when you're testing or staging software. They act like restore points, giving you a safety net in case something goes wrong. Let's walk through how to safely delete a Hyper-V checkpoint in Windows 11 to keep your system fast and efficient. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why checkpoints matter. In Hyper-V, a checkpoint saves your virtual machine's state at a specific moment. This snapshot can help you roll back changes, but over time, too many checkpoints can slow down performance and consume valuable disk space. That's why knowing how to remove them properly helps maintain system stability and improve storage efficiency. How to delete checkpoints using Hyper-V Manager. The graphical method gives you granular control. Press Wins+R, type virtmgmt.msc, and press Enter. In Hyper-V Manager, select your virtual machine in the left pane. Right-click the checkpoint you want to remove and select Delete Checkpoint. If you see multiple related snapshots, choose Delete Checkpoint Subtree to remove the entire branch. Once confirmed, Hyper-V will merge the data from that checkpoint into your main virtual disk. How to delete checkpoints using PowerShell. For administrators managing multiple VMs, PowerShell offers a faster, automated option. Open PowerShell and list your checkpoints with, then delete them using. You can even delete all checkpoints for all VMs with. Remember, the exact checkpoint names matter, so copy them directly from the list. Important considerations. Checkpoint merges rely on available disk space, and deleting one that's still in use can cause data issues. Additionally, monitor disk activity during the merge process and avoid restarting the host machine until the merge is fully complete. Always ensure your VM is powered off before manual merges and confirm that your backup software isn't relying on old checkpoints. Using Live Merge, introduced in Windows Server 2016, can minimize downtime by allowing deletions while a VM is running. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to delete Hyper-V checkpoints in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.